Welcome back, guys. So here in our this lecture, I will explain you about a little bit the paragraph, and I will show you this inspection of the HTML web page as well, because as a web developer, you must be aware about it. So let's write the paragraph here. So paragraph is mostly always used with the P, and here if you write the lorem and press the tab, then it automatically add this paragraph into this, and you can use it as well. This is the functionality like this lorem and the tab that is available into the Visual Studio Code. You can check in other editors as well. And an atom already this functionality is available. So this is just only one paragraph is added, so I'm just going to save it and then see here. If you see here, this paragraph is added over here, and I would like to copy and paste it and add another paragraph here. If you see and see it here, then you can see like that this is another paragraph is added, but here a space is between that, but where here is no space. So let me show you something, and let's go to the inspection level. Like if when we right click, if you see want to see again, or you can just select here the inspect. This is available into the Chrome and other browsers as well. So if you see here, I'm going to make it here like this. If you see here, I am selecting this one. So this is our front end and the end user viewable side, and this is the back end. That is the elements of our HTML page. If you see here, we can see like that. This is the paragraph one. This is another paragraph. If you see here, this is the style for this, and if you see, this is the user agent style sheet. Currently we did not add any style sheet or the cascading style sheet in our web page, but this is the by default agent style sheet. It's called the agent style sheet, and for element style it is h1, like, or if we see here the paragraph, then here the display is the block displaying it like this, and the margin block start 1 em and margin block end 1 em. This is em is the you can say like that the measure of the unit into the cascading style sheet, like we have the pixels, or so this is the 1 em or 1 em it's called. And here the margin inline start and end, this is from left side and the right side of this. So this one is the space, and here this space, this is just only for 1 em. I hope you guys, and also if we see here, this is another display in the box display for the P, like that. This is the margin for 16. This is our block end is converted, 1 em converted to the 16 pixel, and here the margin block start is to the, so this is the 16, like this space and this space is the 16 pixels. This is the border here, and that is almost none, and this is the padding, and that is the area basically which covers our paragraph. I hope you guys got the idea about the paragraph and this by default the style for this, and also the inspect element in the browser. So I'll be back with next lecture and we will move forward. So thank you and bye for now.